Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching between AM and FM on the Seat Arona radio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to learn how to switch between AM and FM on the Seat Arona radio. Tap the radio button to the left of the infotainment screen. Then tap Band in the top left corner. Here you can tap to choose AM or FM. When you switch, you may need to scan for new channels. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.